Good morning, student, and welcome to our English class. Okay, today I am going to explain you comprehension. To comprehension. Before starting my lesson, I request you please take out your notebook and pencil and note down which I am going to tell you. I will explain the question answer and other things also in this video. So please take out your notebook and pencil to do your work. Today I will explain you how you have to give the answer of the question of a comprehension. Okay, first I will explain this story, the donkey in a lion's skin. I am reading this and you also read after me. Once a donkey found a lion's skin. He put it on and proudly ran through the jungle. When the animals saw him, they ran away in fear as fast as they could. They all thought the donkey was a real lion. One day the donkey met a fox. The fox also was afraid and ran away. The donkey was so pleased that he could not keep quiet. He put back his head and began to bray. As soon as the fox heard the bray, he came running back. All the animals now found out that he was not a lion but a donkey in a lion's skin. The donkey ran away to save his life. Now the explanation of this small story. Student, once upon a time there was a donkey. एक गधा था. One day that donkey found a lion's skin. शेर की खाल मिली उसे, donkey को. He put it on and proudly ran through the jungle. Okay, he put it on and he ran through the jungle means जंगल की तरफ दौड़ा. When the animals saw him, when the animals of the jungle saw that donkey, they thought it is a lion. They ran away in fear as fast as they could. Okay, they ran away from there. They all thought the donkey was a real lion. What they thought? They means animals of jungle. They thought that it is a lion, not donkey. They thought it is a lion. One day the donkey met a fox. One day in the jungle, donkey met a fox. Donkey को कौन मिला? लोमड़ी. The fox also was afraid. Afraid means डर गई. जो लोमड़ी थी वो भी डर गई उसे देखकर and run away और भाग गई. The donkey was so pleased. ये देखकर जो डोंकी था वो बड़ा खुश हुआ. He became very happy that he could not keep quiet. और जब वो खुश हुआ ना तो वो अपने आप को चुप नहीं रखा. क्वाइट मीन्स चुप नहीं रख सका वो अपने आप को. ही पुट बैक हिज हेड एंड बिगेन टू ब्रे. ब्रे इज द साउंड ऑफ अ डोंकी. उसने अपनी जो वो लायन की स्किन थी उसको पीछे किया और जोर जोर से ब्रे करने लगा. एज सुन एज द फॉक्स हर्ड द ब्रे. फॉक्स who run away na, that time when that fox heard the sound of donkey, he came running back. Running back means दौड़ती हुई वापस आई वो लोमड़ी. All the animals now found out that he was not a lion. When that donkey bray, after hearing the sound of donkey, all animals come to know that it is not a lion, it is a donkey in the skin of a inside of a lion skin. Okay, but donkey in a lion's skin. The donkey run away to save his life. After this, the donkey run away to save his life. This is the meaning of this small story. Now here, read the above story and then answer the following question. It means first you have to read this story very carefully. Then you have to give the answer of these question. Here are question. These are your questions. Okay, these questions. An exam, you have to write the only answers. Here is the first question. What did he do with the lion's skin? He means donkey. What did the donkey do with the lion's skin? Now you have to write the answer. When you will give the exam, this is I am telling you about exam also, because you can do the mistake in your exam. What did he do with the lion's skin? In your exam, don't note down this question. Only you have to write answer number 1 like this. Answer number A. Its number is A na? So you have to write answer number A. Your question, what did he do with the lion's skin? So we will write donkey here. Donkey put it on. Bas. Very small answer. Okay. Donkey put it on. उसने पहन ली थी ना लायंस की स्किन, तो बस हम इतना ही लिखेंगे. एंड we will not now note down the question. Only donkey put it on. Now question number 2. When did the fox come running back? When did the fox come running back? वो वापस कब आई fox? Answer number B. After hearing the bray of donkey, fox came running back. Understand? After hearing the bray of donkey, fox came running back. You can note down your answer from this video also. Now your question number C is, what did the animals come to know? Animals को क्या पता चला था? उन्हें पता चला था ना ये लायन की स्किन में डोंकी है. Then answer number C. Answer number C. Write down answer number C. You have to write, they found that he was not a lion but a donkey. But a donkey in a lion's skin. In a lion's skin. Okay, you have to do your work this way. Now D. Why did the donkey run away? Why did the donkey run away? The donkey ran away to save his life. This is the answer. Now answer D. This is my D. Donkey run away to save his life. Understand? You have to do your work this way. You have to write only answer and the number also. Question number A, B, C, D. Okay, my dear. Now here, write the opposite of following words from the story. Now you have to read the story. After that, in the story, you will get the opposite of these words. Lost, confidence, unreal, brave, loud, waste. So you have to write the answer sequentially. Okay, first is your lost. Lost answer, this is question number 2 na. You can write here opposite. Then write the answer sequence wise. Here, first is your lost. The answer of lost is found. F-O-U-N-D, found. Then second is your confidence. Confidence, fear. From the story. Fear, unreal. Answer is real. Then comma. After unreal, brave. Brave, afraid. Afraid. After afraid, loud. Loud, quiet. Quiet. Then loud, quiet, then waste. Means save. Waste करना, save करना. Okay. This is your answer sequentially. After this, here is true and false. Write true and false for the following statements. Now I am reading this statement. Listen very carefully. Donkey found a tiger's skin. In this sentence is saying that donkey found the tiger's skin. Is it right, beta? No, na. Why? Because donkey found a lion's skin. So this one is wrong. So we have to write here false. You can write true and false. Number 1 false. Number 1 statement is false. Number 2, donkey begin to bray with joy. वो खुशी से ब्रे करने लगा था ना, तो उसके लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे? ट्रू, TRUE, ट्रू. Okay. After this, the fox run away to save his life. Who run away to save his life? Fox or donkey? Donkey na? So this statement is our wrong. Third is false. In your exam, don't write the statement, only this true and false, only opposite, and only answer. Understand? Now second, this one. Read the following passage carefully. A yellow butterfly flew around in Sonu's garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it. The butterfly flew to the rose bed. It sat on a red rose. Now I can catch it, said Sonu. He walked slowly and silently to catch the butterfly. He came closer, and still closer, but then flew off the butterfly. Where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. In the pond was a white lotus. Around it grew round leaves. They floated in the water. The butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. This is the reading of story. Now explanation. One day, Sonu is the name of a boy like you. Okay. One day he saw a yellow butterfly. Means he saw a butterfly which color is yellow. Where did he see the butterfly? He saw the butterfly around his garden. Sonu saw the butterfly. He ran to catch it, and Sonu want to catch the butterfly, but that time butterfly was sitting on a rose bed. Means butterfly was sitting on a rose flower. The flower was red in color. That time Sonu said, now I can catch it. Why he said this? Because that time butterfly was sitting on rose. So Sonu think ये तो बड़ा आसान है, ये बैठी हुई है फूल में, मैं इसे आराम से पकड़ लूँगा. So he walked slowly and silently. Slowly means धीरे से, silently means चुपचाप. Slowly means धीरे, silently means चुपचाप. To catch the butterfly. वो slowly और silently गया butterfly को पकड़ने. He came closer and still closer, but then वो उसकी एकदम closer means पास और पास गया, लेकिन उसी समय off flew the butterfly. तितली उड़ गई. Where did the butterfly go? After this rose bed, where did the butterfly go? Near the garden was a pond. Near the garden. First the butterfly came into the garden. So after the garden there was a pond. In the pond, and in the pond there was a white lotus. Do you know lotus flower? Yes, lotus flower is the national flower of India. So there was a lotus flower. It was white in color. Around the flower there are so many leaves floating in the water. The all leaves are round in shape. So after the rose bed, the butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. वो जो पत्ते तैर रहे थे ना पानी में, उसमें जाके वो बैठ गई. कौन? येलो बटरफ्लाई. ओके, नाउ दिस वर्क you have to do yourself. I will tell you only. Okay, now question answer. Answer the following question. Very easy question are these. Who saw the butterfly? I hope everybody know who saw the butterfly. Tell to your mother who saw the butterfly. Where was the lotus? Where was the lotus? The lotus was in the pond. Who sailed on a floating leaf? तैरती हुई पत्ती में कौन बैठा था? Who sailed on a floating leaf? Butterfly. Yes, yellow butterfly sailed on a floating leaf. Now true and false. Sonu saw an orange butterfly. This, according to this statement, this sentence, the butterfly is orange in color. But you know what is the color of the butterfly? है ना? Yes, yellow. So this statement is wrong. You have to write here F. F means false. Okay. Second, Sonu wants to catch the butterfly. Sonu want to catch the butterfly. पकड़ना चाहता था वो. Yes. So we will write here T. T means true. सही है ये. Number 3. There is a red lotus in the pond. Pond में red lotus था. There is a red lotus in the pond. No na. The lotus was white or pink? White. Yes. The lotus was white in color. It was not red. So we will write here again F. F means false because lotus was white in color. Number 4. In second time, butterfly sat on a red rose. Second time में वो red rose में बैठी थी butterfly. हाँ? No. In first time, butterfly sat on a red rose, and second time butterfly sat on a floating leaf. So this statement is also wrong. So we will write here F. F means false. Understand? And my dear student, you should watch the video of every teacher, because every teacher explain their lesson in the videos. Not only English, you have to watch the all subject video: Hindi, Math, Science, SST and Computer. And tell to your classmates also who near your house to watch the videos. This worksheet is your not submission worksheet. It means आपको ये worksheet submit नहीं करनी है. You have to only note down this work in your language notebook. First comprehension I did the first one, and second one only question answer you have to do. True false I done, and first वाला I done all the question answer, है ना? True false, words opposite and question answer all. So don't miss your videos also of all subject. Okay. Okay my dear, take care, stay home, stay safe, bye bye. Now we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.